Hi Standard 2, welcome back to another online lesson video with me. So for today's lesson, you are going to produce an artwork entitled My Favorite Vegetable. In bahasa Melayu, sayur kegemaranku. Okay, so the techniques and the elements that you are going to use today is that you are going to use shadow technique and also lines, element, as well as colors and shapes as well. So you might need to prepare a pencil, your rubber, and your crayon or your pencil color, okay, and also your sketchbook. If you have with you, you can choose between a pencil color or a crayon. That is up to you later. I'm going to do the outline by using black pen so that you can see it clearer. Okay, let's start with our vegetable. I'm going to produce a lot of textures on the vegetables also later. So let's start with the vegetable that you can see in front first. Okay, imagine that you're looking at the vegetable right in front of you. Okay, you need to make sure the one that is in front of you is bigger than the rest of it at the back. And also you have to make sure that the one in front of you is clearer. Okay, so for example, we would like to draw what is your favorite vegetable? Maybe we can draw a tomato over here, right? A tomato. Okay, draw a tomato. Yeah, just like this, a little bit circle. Then after that, the tomato leaf. And the stop. Or if you want to draw a tomato which is more rounder, you can also do that. Okay, don't forget this part over here. Okay, there you go. And what else? Maybe an aubergine or a potato, right? Say maybe a potato or an aubergine over here. I'm going to draw an aubergine, I think, over here because it's a little bit longer than the rest of the vegetable. So maybe you can draw it at the back of these two tomato. Okay, and then the aubergine. And don't forget this part, the greenish part over here, and also the stalk later. Now let's move to the vegetable at the back. Okay, let's try to draw a basket over here. We're going to create some lines on a basket later as a decoration. Okay, draw this one first. Draw a line, a curvy line going upward, and then you stop here and you go to the right. Draw another curvy line to the right. Now leave this space. I want to make it look like there are some vegetable going downwards over here, like it's almost falling out from the basket. So we are going to draw some leaves. Okay, draw the lines and then come back with the lines over here. You just connect it and go curved all the way until here and you stop. Okay, so this would be your basket later. Next, I want you to create another line on top of the basket like this. Okay, and then after that You can draw some more vegetable over here, whatever vegetables you want to draw. So let's say I want to draw a green leafy vegetable here, and I'm going to draw it going down upward a bit like this. Okay, and maybe a little bit over here also. There you go. Okay, next one, what else do you like to eat? What type of vegetables you like? Maybe we can draw a carrot, right? A carrot, a corn, peas, mushroom. Okay, let's draw a carrot over here. Maybe you can put it here, right? Carrot. Okay. So here is your carrot. Don't forget the carrot leaves. Okay, and the lines of your carrot. Make it as curvy as possible to create a 3D illustration. Okay, then you can put a little bit more over here as well to make it look fuller. And let's think of one more vegetable that we can do. Oh, what do you think about broccoli? Okay, maybe you can put the broccoli over here, the broccoli stem going outward, and then another one going outward like this. There you go. Now the broccoli's leaf or the broccoli's hair. Just like you're drawing a cloud. Okay. Okay. And if you notice over here, it look a little bit empty. Then you can put your own vegetable here. Up to you. Okay. I think I'm going to put corn. Let me draw corn. Okay, so a corn, a half open corn, like this, and the corn leaves. Then you can draw your corn inside here. Draw one line, and if you have space, another line, and then you can draw this small line here to indicate the corn. It's like this. There you go. Okay, then just like I told you just now, if this space look empty, then maybe you can put something over there. Oh, maybe we can put some leek, the vegetable that we used to put in our soup. Okay, now we are going to create some lines and textures on your basket. Let's say it's a woven basket. Then you can create some lines going downward like this. Going downward. Okay. Some more line, and then another line. Okay. Now you want to make the woven effect. Then you can put another line going here, and the one going on the top. This one is behind this line, and this one should go on the top. Okay, and same goes to this on the top. Okay, if this one is behind or under this line, then you can put it on the top this time. Okay, just like that. Okay, now you can start coloring. Okay, I'm going to color it first, and then after that I will show you a few more technique that you can use later. Okay, so standard 2, let's try to put some shadows on underneath your vegetable. Let's imagine that the source of light is from here. Actually, it's up to you. You want it from here or from here, that is up to you. So if your source of light is from here, okay, it's shining towards the vegetable from here, then all the shadows should be behind the source of light, because the vegetable are blocking the source of light. So this should be the source of light at the back of this vegetable. On over this side, we are going to use darker colors to do the shadows. You can use either gray or black crayon. Okay, let's try with the first one. I'm going to put a little bit of shadow here right under this aubergine. So I'm going to just slightly shade it with this black crayon, and then I'm going to dab it by using my finger, and then drag it all the way downward like this. Can you see that? Okay, same goes to this one. Just do it very light. If you do not want to use black crayon, then you can try to use darker gray, the one that is darker than this. I think this is very light. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of shadow over this side of so I'm going to drag it upward a little bit. Okay, so there you go. Okay, and then spend some time to blend the shadow in. Next one, I will also put a little bit of shadow over here. So I will use my finger again, do the color blending. Okay, toward the bottom of your vegetable. There you go. Okay, now can you see the difference? Okay, same goes to your broccoli. You can put a little bit of shadow over here under the broccoli, as well as the part where there is no light touches, and rub it with your finger. It's okay if your finger is dirty. Okay, you can clean it later. I want you to use your motor skill for this one. And let's see, I think the carrot also needs some shadows, but before that, do some rubbing over here to put some shadow as well. Okay, can you see? Now it look more 3D, right? Okay, now some more shadow over here, and rub it with your finger lightly. Okay, and I think maybe this side, this corner needs shadows a little bit over here. Rub it. There you go. And for this vegetable, maybe it needs some shadows over here and some shadows over here. Then you can do the same rubbing technique. Okay, so that is the end of your artwork later. I hope you can try this and be confident. Don't be afraid to make mistake. If you want to draw different vegetable, that is also fine. Okay, have fun and see you next week. Bye.